I think when I have a blue driven kind of assignment, so something that's very data driven and I need to come up with the facts and the figures and the spreadsheets and the stats, that's when I know I'm going to have a draining day, and I kind of know that about myself. And I think where talent development is heading and where the world of just people development is heading, the more friends you can make with data and the better you are at reading it, understanding it, etc., the better. So I definitely see that as my personal development area. But I'm a director. I'm supposed to put together reports and stats and prove ROI and stuff like that. And I think those kind of scenarios, I'm just like, man, like it's draining, because it's also quite a faff to get the numbers. I studied accounting, and I think that's probably why I studied accounting, finished it, got the degree, but hated every second of it. And I now know why, because it isn't a preference. It's an ability. I can do it, but it's certainly not a preference.